Hillary Clinton and Donald Trump head into this debate with the latest U.S. poll showing them deadlocked in a virtual tie. They've already presented their foreign policy ideas separately at a televised forum. Now they'll debate them face to face.
Ain't no river wide enough, baby.
Clinton took a few days off the campaign trail to prepare.
They say she's been practicing for the debate. Some people think she's sleeping.
When the spotlights are at their brightest and the pressure is at its most intense, that's when she brings the A+ game.
Both candidates met with Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu on Sunday. Clinton also met with Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe. Tokyo officials say Abe urged her to support the Trans-Pacific Partnership Trade Agreement, a trade deal she once backed but now opposes. If elected, Trump has promised to reject the deal, which covers 40% of the global economy. Ukrainian President Petro Poroshenko also met with Clinton in New York and invited Trump, who failed to show up. Trump has expressed admiration for Russian President Vladimir Putin and told a reporter that Putin would not invade Ukraine, even though many Western governments believe he already did in Crimea. Both candidates also met with Egyptian President Abdel Fattah el-Sisi, a key ally in the coalition fight against ISIL. After a series of terrorist bombings in New York City and New Jersey, how to prevent ISIL-inspired terror in the U.S. is likely to come up in the debate. Earlier this month, Clinton released a 9,000-word plan to defeat ISIL. Donald Trump says he wants his plan to remain a secret. It still is. Jessica Stone, CCTV at Hofstra University in New York.